How do you complete King of the Hill Discord quest? First of all, start by simply opening your Discord application and make sure that you are logged in. Now once you're in your app, simply tap on your logo or profile icon and simply navigate to quest. You'll find it just under here. Tap on quest. Now from here you'll see a lot of quests available on the Discord application, which you can easily claim it. Now from all of these quests, simply scroll down until you find the King of the Hill. Now this is the logo. It is promoted by Hulu, and you'll find King of the Hill, the upcoming season quest. Now for that you just have to claim 700 orbs, hit the gas and collect 330 propane tanks to win this 700 orbs. You can also see the timeline the quest ended, so make sure to catch up when the quest reopens. And when the quest reopens, that is in the next season, simply tap on it and enter a voice channel in any server or a direct message. Click the rocket icon and your activity will be started, and just launch this game. Then you'd have to interact in the garage. The core requirement is to collect 40 total items. Click around your screen to interact with all the visible elements and objects inside the garage area to gather items easily. And so once your progress bar fills up to 100%, return to your user settings and then tap on gift inventory and click claim reward to receive your Discord orbs or profile cosmetics. The orbs look like this, and every season description is just written over here, and the requirements are also just clearly listed here, and this may change. And that's it for the video, guys. Thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed the video, consider giving it a like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.